As we stand on the threshold of a new epoch in spacefaring, the SpaceX Starship stands as a testament to human ingenuity and ambition. This spacecraft, the brainchild of visionary entrepreneur Elon Musk and his team, has captured the imaginations of millions, igniting a fervor akin to that of space missions of yore. Its towering figure and sleek stainless steel facade house cutting-edge technology that heralds a paradigm shift in space travel. From its powerful Raptor engines to its spacious interior, the Starship represents the culmination of relentless research and development. Envisioned not only as a vehicle to ferry humans to distant celestial bodies, but also as a stepping stone towards the colonization of Mars, the Starship also embodies our ceaseless yearning to transcend our earthly boundaries. So, fasten your seatbelts, for the journey we embark upon is one of knowledge and inspiration. As we navigate through the cosmos of information, prepare to be awed by the revelations that await within the heart of the SpaceX Starship. The future of interplanetary exploration is upon us, and with each passing moment, we inch closer to an era where the stars themselves are within our reach. Welcome back to another exciting video. Today's video is about how life will be like inside the SpaceX Starship. Imagine the awe-inspiring sensation of floating within the cosmic expanse, enveloped by a vessel brimming with the aspirations of a species yearning for the stars. The SpaceX Starship transcends the confines of being a mere spacecraft. It symbolizes an epochal transformation in the art of spacefaring. What makes this moment even more exhilarating is the privilege of sharing with you the freshest insights from the year 2023, a treasure trove of knowledge granting you a unique advantage in comprehending the intricate marvels nestled within. The SpaceX Starship isn't just a leap in technology, it's a leap of faith into humanity's audacious dreams. As our expedition unfolds, we invite both the seasoned cosmological enthusiast and the inquisitive neophyte to immerse themselves in the grandeur of our journey. Here, within the pages of discovery, we traverse the uncharted territories of the Starship's interior, illuminating obscure truths, dispelling the shadows of misinformation, and igniting inquiries that propel us to contemplate the enigmas that the universe presents. Prepare to be entranced as we unearth the lesser-known facets of this remarkable vessel, unraveling its mysteries with both fascination and critical inquiry. With each revelation, the SpaceX Starship becomes not just a technological marvel, but a testament to the indomitable spirit of exploration. Whether you ponder the depths of space daily or are embarking on your very first cosmic expedition, let the allure of the Starship's interior kindle your curiosity. For the journey ahead holds the promise of awakening wonder and fostering a deeper connection to the cosmic tapestry that envelopes us all. Here's a nugget of knowledge that might just spark your curiosity. Did you ever imagine that the SpaceX Starship's interior is organized into 6 distinct levels? That's right, within its sleek and futuristic exterior lies a multi-level habitat that's designed for efficiency, comfort, and functionality. From the cargo bay and systems on the lowest level to the command deck at the very top, this vessel is a vertical marvel catering to every aspect of human life during interplanetary journeys. Let's clear the air on a misconception that often swirls around the allure of space travel. While we often envision astronauts luxuriating in showers, the reality within the Starship is quite different. Due to the challenges of conserving water, traditional showers aren't feasible. So, those refreshing showers you've seen in sci-fi movies might not be a reality just yet. Imagine this scenario: you're thousands of miles away from Earth, surrounded by the cosmos. The only contact with your loved ones is delayed by minutes, if not more. How would you manage the emotional strain of isolation? This psychological challenge is one astronauts aboard the Starship must confront, and it's a fascinating aspect of life beyond our planet. Now, let's venture deeper into the heart of the Starship and uncover its inner workings. Starting from the lowest level, the cargo bay and systems area is where essential supplies, life support systems, and power generators are stored. Ascending to the second level, you'll find supplies and infrastructure, which could even include a hydroponic garden for cultivating fresh produce. Talk about sustainability in space. Think about staying fit in a zero-gravity environment. It's no easy feat. Level 3 of the Starship is where astronauts can exercise in a gym to counter the effects of prolonged weightlessness. But here's the catch: no showers. How would you manage your hygiene without the luxury of a daily shower routine? As we move up, the fourth level unveils crew quarters that offer reasonable-sized compartments akin to capsule hotels. These cozy nooks provide a semblance of privacy and comfort where astronauts can recharge for the next leg of their interstellar journey. Imagine this: Level 5 is a communal area where you gather with fellow explorers, sharing stories, laughter, and maybe even a sense of wonder as you peer out through a massive window into the abyss of space. Can you visualize yourself bonding with your fellow astronauts while beholding the grandeur of the cosmos? Behold, the crown jewel of the Starship, the command deck, where cosmic decisions and interstellar dreams converge. Picture it, a realm of sleek consoles and luminescent displays, a symphony of blinking lights and panels that could rival the most intricate space-themed disco. This is where the magic unfolds, where the stars are our stage and the universe our canvas. At the heart of the command deck, flight controls reign supreme. A cockpit worthy of every space enthusiast's wildest dreams, it's the throne from which captains of the cosmos guide their ship through the galactic symphony. With a tap here and a flick there, they navigate through the celestial sea, orchestrating maneuvers that would make even the most graceful dance routines on Earth blush with envy. But it's not all serious business up here, oh no. Seating for launch and landing transforms this space into the ultimate cosmic recliner. Picture it, strapping in, feeling the rumble as engines ignite, and then lifting off like a graceful ballet dancer defying gravity. And when the journey nears its end, it's like settling onto a cloud as the ship descends, bringing you back to the cradle of the cosmos. Enter hydrogen fuel cells, the wild card in this space energy casino. With their promise of continuous power generation, they seem like the Energizer bunnies of the cosmos. But let's not forget the challenge of storing and handling hydrogen, a task as delicate as juggling moon rocks. So, in the depths of space, which energy source would I trust? It's like picking a co-pilot for an intergalactic journey. Each has their own quirks, assets, and weak points. In this cosmic farce, perhaps a combination of batteries for backup power, hydrogen fuel cells for the long haul, and solar panels for that instant caffeine spike could produce a synergy that keeps us traveling the cosmos in style. Making the universe our ultimate power source is, after all, the whole point of space energy. Ladies and gentlemen, let's pause to admire the cosmic ride the SpaceX Starship has taken us on. This isn't just any spaceship, it's more like the iPhone of space travel, sleek, cutting edge, and sure to make a few people say, "Did you see that?" What would life inside the SpaceX Starship mean to you? We're curious to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below and let your imagination take flight. Keep looking up to the skies, for the cosmos is waiting to unveil its mysteries, and we'll be right here to guide you through every awe-inspiring discovery. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.